Hey guys, I got some bad news about the Smartlink campaign, so let me break it to you. Let's go. Starting with these Smartlinks because it's not going too good. So I wanted to just check on it to see what the progress was, and it's telling me that it's reached its daily impressions already. It hasn't even spent my full daily budget, which was set to $20. It's only spent up to $13, as you can see. And my rate right now is at 274. My click-through rate is at 259. So, or 2%, 2.59. Sorry. So I'm trying to decide because my click-through rates are high, right? So if we take a look at the creatives, like the creatives have been doing great on both platforms, over 2%, but I'm literally not getting any conversions with these smart links. So that leads me to assume that these landing pages are not hitting the mark. Now, when I went on the landing page, it was like a 3-question: are you male? Are you female? Do you like porn? And then I'm sure it redirects them to like a sign up site. So I guess because the shit's free these days, no one's really interested in it. But these smart links are not faring well. It's spending too fast. The impressions are going too fast for me, and I was under the impression it would not happen with Propeller Ads. So I'm debating on whether or not we want to do smart CPM or CPM or anything. I'll be honest with you, I am not really too excited to continue with this type of campaign anymore. Yeah, it's just not going anywhere. But I do know one thing. I can nail these creatives. So at least you learn something. I just cannot figure out for the life of me about the conversion. So I would say for dating, slow your roll. It's definitely high competition. You need to test out all your patterns, have a system in place, and all of that stuff. Even if I jump into volume, like let's just I didn't let it get any data, but let me just show you what is going on with the clicks. Hold on. Teammate needs help. Okay. And my screen doesn't do Skype whenever I'm recording. So, because my computer's smart like that. Remove myself and we'll put myself back. Okay, volume. So, I just really want to just show you just the data just to say that I did. Get in the habit of doing this. Checking your campaigns, making sure everything's good to go, checking all the links, checking your data, checking your click-through rates. I'm checking for conversion rates, and they ain't happening no matter what I do. So I'm pretty sure this is all because of me today. And another campaign that we got going, that we just started, that probably isn't getting any conversion right now. Yeah, there it is. So we got a whitelist that we're trying to scale, I think. So this is literally just started. That's why there's only 12 girls. And then for mine, okay, so we're trying to do both. We're doing a source and a target campaign. Neat. Can't wait to talk to you guys about that one. So this is the Maldives. That's not it. This Amazon. That's not it. Propeller Ads, United Kingdom. Propeller Ads. I just don't feel like typing it in. I thought I'd be able to find it, but I'm not. There it is. I'm in the red. I'm not understanding. It's just like how is it only? I guess it's because it's delayed. I don't know. Start date. Oh, I didn't mean to edit. Hold on. Matter of fact, let me shrink myself actually. Hold on. There we go. Now I can click. All right. I'm going to go to report. Yeah, so the data's kind of limited. It'll catch up, or is it in tomorrow? Oh, it's already. Oh yeah, because I'm in Collins time zone. I forgot. Hold on. So they're getting it. They're volume's doing its thing, but I'm not catching any conversions. The back button is linked, is set up, like it's not optimizing. Maybe it's giving me horrible landers. I don't know, but I'm not willing to spend any more euros on this. I'm going to be the one who's going to be the cheapskate on this entire project. Like, nope, I'd rather put my money elsewhere. So usually I'd say test, 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 but I don't know this vertical. I'll be honest with you guys. I just wanted to try it for the sake of doing Smartlinks, and this is my update. Don't fuck with them until you know what the hell you're doing. So I am going to actually not scale the campaign, but I will keep these creatives in mind. Or if there's someone who wants to run a campaign, I can pass them to you if you want. So just hit me up in the forum. But yeah, let me go ahead and pause it. So I'll show you guys how to do that at the very least. And I wish it could have gone better, but we need our money for other stuff. So we tried, guys. But I'd say for the most part, I'm very confident in my creative skills now. Very, very confident. So I'll close that out and I will start another one. So yes, I'm sorry you guys really just got to experience my disappointment. There's really not much more to this video other than I was literally checking it. I was hoping I could record a better update and I noticed that nothing was going right. So I just decided to record me killing the campaign and explaining why.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.